Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. Today I'll be discussing how understanding the learning process has made me a better instructor for the future, and we'll explore concepts from chapter 4 and 5 of the Aviation Instructor's Handbook, focusing on effective communication, the teaching process, and how these principles apply to the real-world instruction. The key concepts in learning process. There's 3 core concepts essential to the learning process: are attention, motivation, and reinforcement. Attention is about keeping students engaged and focused on what matters most. Motivation involves creating an environment where students genuinely want to learn, and reinforcement provides positive feedback that encourages ongoing progress. The real-world examples of learning application. One example from my experiences involved when I was struggling with complex maneuvers. First, my instructor applied the concept of attention by breaking down the task into smaller, manageable steps to help the student focus, which was me, on one element at a time, and to build motivation, that we all set small, achievable goals. This kept me encouraged to keep trying, and finally, with each step mastered, I got positive feedback, reinforcing my progress and building my confidence. And this one, understanding human behavior in teaching. Instructors also need to consider principles of human behavior, such as Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which highlights the importance of self-esteem, belonging, and competence. When students feel supported, they are more likely to engage and excel. Understanding this enables me to create a positive, growth-oriented learning environment that's responsive to students' individual needs. The benefits of understanding the learning process. Overall, understanding the learning process has brought tangible benefits to myself by building student confidence, enhancing their understanding, and fostering retention. My teaching becomes more effective by doing these things. These improvements make a lasting impact not just on my students, future students, skills, but on their overall journey towards becoming safe and competent aviators. And then in my conclusion, understanding the learning process and applying concepts from the Aviation Instructor's Handbook will make me a better instructor. Real-world experiences shows that knowing how to engage, motivate, and reinforce students' progress leads to better outcomes. And then I got my reference page here. In preparing for this presentation, I referenced several key sources such as the Aviation Instructor's Handbook from the FAA, chapters 4 and 5 particularly. Then, excuse me if I'm wrong pronouncing this, Gage's Principles of Instruction Design, and Maslow's work of human motivation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.